Hello, and welcome to a brief tutorial on WipWare's MailFrag service. This service allows you to submit images for fragmentation analysis and have results returned within 48 business hours of submission. To get started, you will need to capture an image and import it into WipFrag 4. Once you have imported the image into WipFrag 4, the next step is to set the scale. Tap the image to load it, then tap the ruler icon. Select either single or dual scale. Then input the length of your scales and set the scale. If you are submitting multiple images for MailFrag, you will need to set the scale on each image. If you're only submitting one image, you can tap the chart icon and select Submit for MailFrag. Once the scale has been set, exit the image, and tap the Select icon in the upper left corner. Tap on the images you want to submit. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select the MailFrag icon. Submitting an image to MailFrag will cost 3 image credits. After submitting the image will be locked on your end and be inaccessible until the analysis is completed. Once completed, you will be able to view the results of the analysis. You can also tap the export icon to export the results. Thank you for watching.